Welcome to the Gilded video blog series on crypto accounting. Today, we're going to go over a brief intro on Etherscan. So Etherscan, what is it? It's a blockchain explorer for the Ethereum network. Here you can view transactions, wallet addresses, fees, blocks, smart contracts, timestamps, and more. You can search for specific information by transaction ID, wallet address, contract address, or other identifying metrics. We already have our wallet address pasted into the search bar here, and when we hit search, this will take it to the wallet addresses page. Now, all on-chain wallets look the same on Etherscan, regardless of whether they are a hot or a cold wallet, a hardware wallet, a mobile wallet, or something else. We have our address listed at the top left portion here, and just below that is our overview box. Now, it's going to have the overall balance listed in the amount of Ether. It's also going to have the Ether value, which is listed in US dollars. You'll also see the current price of Ethereum, which is called the spot price. You'll also see a token drop-down list below that, and each token that is in your wallet will be presented on this list. The lower that you go on this list, the more likely you are to find spam tokens or tokens with little to no value. If applicable, you will also see ERC-721 and ERC-1155 tokens, also known as NFTs or non-fungible tokens, which are token standards. Below this, you'll see a series of tabs starting with the Transactions tab. This is a representation of what happened within the wallet with incoming or outgoing ETH, but not necessarily ERC-20 tokens. Now, what's the difference between ETH and ERC-20? Ethereum is the native asset of the Ethereum network and the currency used as gas to pay for blockchain fees, which make the blockchain work. ERC-20 tokens, on the other hand, are smart contract-enabled tokens that can be transferred from one wallet to another. They are like ETH in that they also live on the Ethereum network and are fungible, which means that each ERC-20 token is equal in both type and value as another token of the same standard. ERC-20 tokens, also like ETH, can be sent, received, traded, and transferred between ETH addresses. Widely used examples of ERC-20 tokens would be USDC, USDT, DAI, or even Shiba Inu. In the Transactions tab, we have the transaction hash column. This is the unique identifying character or numbers that define a specific transaction. We also have the method of the transaction as well as the block number. The block number is when a transaction happened, kind of like a blockchain time. After that, we have the age, which is a more human-friendly timestamp that actually gives you the time of when the transaction settled on the blockchain. We also have the from column. This is the address from which the crypto was sent. We also have the to column. This, however, can sometimes be misleading because your counterparty may not necessarily be listed in the to field. If you're interacting with a smart contract, your ultimate counterparty may be listed in the token transfer section instead. We also have the value column. This is actually the cost of the transaction listed in Ether. Then we have the transaction fee, also known as gas fees. This is the fee charged to execute a transaction on the blockchain. The next tab is Internal Transactions. This refers to an interaction between your wallet address and a smart contract and is moving assets, typically as an incoming transaction, into your wallet. The next tab will be the ERC-20 token transaction, and as already stated, these are smart contract-enabled tokens that live and interact on the Ethereum network. And you can see a variety of different types here: USDC, DAI, Uniswap, and so on. If applicable, we also have the ERC-721 and ERC-1155 tokens. These are non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, and this helps in tracking and transferring NFTs within smart contracts. We also have an Analytics tab that will go over the various spot prices of ETH, as well as the highest and lowest values and balances. And you also have the ability to leave comments on specific transactions if you like. That concludes our brief and hopefully helpful tutorial on the general overview of Etherscan. Stay tuned for more informative videos from Gilded on Etherscan and crypto accounting.